Question number 1. 1 to power 10. It's 1. 1 to any power, it's going to give you 1. Question number 2. We have 4 squared times 9 minus 6 plus 2 to power 3 plus 6 to power 2. Okay? So, 4 to power 2 is 16 times 9 minus 6 is 3 plus 2 to power 3 is 8 because 2 times 2 times 2, right? 6 to power 2 is 36. Okay? So next, 16 times 3 is 48 plus 8 plus 36. So if you add them up, 38, 36, and then 8. Let's see. 8 plus 8, it's going to be 16. 16 plus 6 is going to be 22. Writing down 2 in mind. 4 plus 3, 7, and 2, it's going to be 92. Next. Two to power 3 times 4 minus 40 divided by 4. Okay, 2 to power 3 is 8 times 4 minus 40 divided by 4 is 10. Next, 8 times 4 is 32 minus 10, and we get 22. Question number 4. Two plus 4 squared divided by 5 times 16 minus 12 minus 3 squared minus 8. Okay, so in numerator we have 2 plus 4 squared, it's going to be 16. In denominator, 5 times 16 minus 12, because in parentheses it has priority, it's going to be equal 4, minus 3 squared. Remember, parentheses and exponents have highest priority. Since exponents and parentheses are not one into each other, so it's separated, so we can calculate both of them. 3 squared is 9 and minus 8. So that's equal. 2 plus 16 is 18. Next, 5 times 4 is 20, right? 20 minus 9 is 11. 11 minus 8 is 3. And the answer is, oops, I was keeping in mind, it's 6 and 6. Question number 5. Question number 5. Find the area and perimeter of square that is shown, okay? Here we have squared. And it has 3 meters because it's a square. Then if one side is 3 meters, then the other side is also 3 meters, right? So the area for we need to find area and perimeter. Area, it's equal length times width. Since length and width are equal to each other, it's going to be 3 times 3. Or we like to write down 3 squared, which is going to be 9 square meters. Now, perimeter is equal sum of all sides. So 3 times 4. It's going to be 12 meters. Question number 6. Evaluate the expression for x is equal 3. X is equal 3. Y is equal 4. Evaluate 11 minus y minus x. We evaluate, no problem. 11 minus 4 minus 3, right? 4 minus 3 is 1. 11 minus 1 is 10. Number 7. Write the following phrase as a variable expression. Use x to represent a number. So x, it's going to represent number. Let's see what it says. A number subtracted from 2. Number subtracted from 2 or 2 minus number. There we go. A number subtracted from 2. Next, question number 8. Again, x is represented as a number. The product of 509 and a number. Product 509 and a number. Product is multiplication, therefore we multiply 509x. Question number 9. The product of 1 and a number. 1 and a number, product. So we multiply. Number 10. 16 divided by number. 16 divided by number. Or you can put 16 divided by number. Number is x. We know that, right? Number 11. Simplify. We have negative absolute value of negative 2. Absolute value of negative 2 is 2. And negative in front of absolute value has nothing to do with absolute value. It just goes to outside output. Negative 2. Number 12. Negative x, if x is given, it's 30. If x wouldn't be given, would be a different story. We have negative and absolute value of negative 30. So negative, this negative has nothing to do with absolute value. It's going to go as an output, negative. And absolute value of negative 30 is 30. Number 13. We have negative, absolute value negative, negative 19, and negative 18. Okay, well, 19. Make it more interesting. So we need to insert the appropriate symbol, greater, less, equal, yeah? Well, to do that, let's understand what number represent each notation. This one is going to be negative 19. Yes? This one is going to be positive 19. So we will have negative always less than positive. Number 14. We have 0 and we have negative 10. What sign we're gonna insert? What's the relation between 0 and negative 10? 0 is always, since 0 on the number line is on the right side, negative 10 on the left, so therefore the number on the right side always gonna be greater than number on the left side. Number 15. We have negative 17, and negative 19. So negative 17 is parenthesis, it's going to become positive 17, right? Because we open parenthesis, it becomes positive. And negative 19, by the same reason, positive 17. So 17 and 19, less than, right? 17 less than 19. Next one. Number 16, 8 plus negative 11. So it's going to be 8 is positive, negative 11 is negative. So when we have positive and negative, remember, we have to subtract, period. Signs are different, we subtract. And then we use the sign of bigger number. 11 is bigger than 8, so we use negative 3 because 11 has negative sign. Number 17. So 16 plus negative 9. It's going to be I can write down 16 minus 9. It's going to be 7. Number 18. Negative 60 plus negative 29. That's the same thing if I write down negative 16, negative 29, right? Both signs are negative, we are adding, period. So let's do drafting. 60 and 29. 0 plus 9 is 9. 6 plus 2 is 8. 89. And since both numbers have negative sign, so obviously it's going to be negative. 89. Question number 19. Total 20 questions, so I'm almost done. Question number 19. Negative 25 plus negative 7 plus negative 24. I'm going to drop plus sign. You want it, you can keep it, your choice. So negative 25, negative 7, negative 24. So all numbers are negatives. That means I'm going to add all numbers. 25, 24, and 7. Okay, let's see. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. 1 in mind. 2 plus 2 is 4, and 1 we have kept. It's going to be 56. Since every single term is negative, so 56 also going to be negative. And 20. Negative 76 plus 35. Okay, Positive, negative. So signs are different. We need to subtract. So let's subtract 76 minus 35. 6 minus 5 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 4. 41. 76 is greater than 35 because it has negative sign. Then 41 is going to be negative. And that's it. I'm done. Okay, this is number 7. It's let me do this. Number 7, I will move here, so it will be seen better. Yeah. And 6 also I will transfer here. Okay. We are done. Thank you for watching. See you next video.